Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make butter chicken. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe and like. Thanks. To make butter chicken, you will need the following. For marination, you'll want 2 cups, that's 250 millilitres of plain yoghurt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of mixed powder or curry powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and 750 grams of chicken breast. You'll also need 3 tablespoons of butter ghee for frying the meat once marinated. I'll link my recipe for this in the description below. And for the sauce, you'll need half a cup, that's 115 grams of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, Kashmiri or paprika, 2 teaspoons of fenugreek leaves or kasoori methi, 300 millilitres of double cream or heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, passata, and salt as required to taste. Cut the meat into small chunks and marinate in the yoghurt, spice mix, salt, and lemon juice. Ideally, you would marinate in the fridge for 24 hours, but if you're in a rush, 2 will be okay. Once marinated, heat the ghee in a pan on high heat until it's fully melted. Get your marinated meat, add to the pan and sear, stirring occasionally. You are not looking to completely cook the meat, merely sear the outside to give it a nice bit of colour. Once browned, remove the meat and set aside. Add half of the butter, stir through and add the passata and any leftover marinade. Allow to heat through, then add the sugar, chilli, fenugreek, and garam masala. Allow to fry for 5 to 10 minutes to intensify the flavours. I forgot to add the remaining marinade with the passata when the dish would have been cooler, so I warmed it in the microwave first. Adding cold yoghurt to a hot dish could lead it to separating. Add in the remaining butter and stir through until melted. Add the meat, stir to combine, then slowly add most of the cream. Remember to save some to drizzle on the finished dish. Simmer until the meat is cooked through and the sauce is the consistency you require. I normally remove the dish from the heat when the butter starts to separate from the sauce. Serve with a knob of butter, a sprinkle of fenugreek leaves and a swirl of cream. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.